Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create like a text behind like a person sort of effect on CapCut. I'm just going to pick out the person walking part, so like text behind an object. So do this and go to text and add text, and you're just going to add it to the track till the end of the sort of clip. I'm just going to name it walk, select the font, and then I will just export that. And once you're done, you're going to delete these. Oh, actually no, you're just going to delete the text. You're going to go to media and you're going to import the video that we created, add it, and add the first one on top of the other one that we just exported. And on the second one, you are going to go to cutout and select auto cutout. And as you can see, now the text is behind the sort of object, like so. There's some that are like a little bit off, like this one, but it's not perfect, especially if the background isn't precise with the, well, like the cutout isn't precise. But that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!